Hello, I'm Robin from TV and Video Direct. Today we're going to be looking at Panasonic's new FT60 Series TVs. The FT60 Series sets from Panasonic come in two sizes, 42 and 47 inch. They feature a full 1080p edge-lit LED IPS panel which gives you great viewing angles, virtually unlimited, almost plasma-like. Has a 1600Hz backlight scanning system, allied to a 200Hz video processor, so it gives you top-notch video motion handling and picture clarity. It has the new Hexa processing engine, which is Panasonic's new top-of-the-line video processor, which can do many things very quickly, so it gives you great picture quality. Features Freeview and FreeSat HD tuners as standard. Great TV. Some very innovative features in the set. Panasonic for this season have come up with a very clever, they call it the home screen. If you watch this, basically when you're initially setting the TV set up, you can set it up to come on as full screen as you saw with the film we're viewing there, or you can set it to come up in one of several home screens to suit different people within the household. So you can set it up to suit what you actually want on the script, on your home page, the things that you like to go to immediately. It's like puts your shortcuts with it. One of the really clever features you've got is this thing called swipe and share. Let's just see. Let's have a look. Basically, it's with a smartphone. You just basically touch the photograph you want, then flick it to the top of the screen, and within a few seconds that photograph comes up on the screen of the TV set, as easy as that, as you can see. Very nice motorbike, and once you finish, you just switch it off, and you go back to where you were. Again, a very nice feature. You've got the control app will also fully control the TV set from your smartphone. You've even got a very clever calibration device. If you're having the set calibrated, it is capable of being calibrated properly to ISF levels. One of the biggest bugbears with calibrators is if you have a menu in the middle of the screen, it's difficult to get a reading on the screen with the colorimeter. What you can basically do is you can ape the menu screen on the TV set on your smart device, whether it's an iPhone or an iPad, and you make all the adjustments on that and then send them to the TV set so you can get a good reading on the telly and get a very accurate picture on it. You've got browse and share, you've got remote play, you've got an app launcher so you can find, if it comes up with new apps, you find them, you can put them back on it. It's just a very clever and intelligently designed system. The set features a Wi-Fi unit built into it, so it connects wirelessly to your network at home. You do have an Ethernet port on it, so if you have got the facility to wire it, it will give you slightly better performance, but it's not essential. But the networking functionality of the TV set is something quite special. Even more features, it's a passive 3D set. It ships with two pairs of specs. It uses the same technology you get at the cinema, so if you've got any specs that you've bought at the cinema, they can be used with this TV set. It has media support for usual suspects, AVC HD SD cards, standard definition SD cards. You've got AVI files, MKVs, WMVs, MP4s, FLVs, and many other video codecs it'll recognise. Audio, you've got MP3, AAC, WMA, FLAC, Apple Lossless WAV, again amongst others. Pictures, JPEG and MPO. So again, a wide range of formats and codecs it recognises and you can display on the screen with. It features display mirroring. We showed a little bit of it before, showing photographs when you flick to the screen. It supports DNLA 1.5 and it's got Viera Link for connectivity to other products. Eco. Constant current draw, when calibrated correctly, is around 69 watts, so it's a very cheap TV set to run. It's calculated to run 4 or 5 hours a day, which is considered average, that it will consume about 95 kilowatt hours of power per year. So given its edge LED, it's a very economical TV set to run. Connectivity is wide and varied. It has 3 HDMI sockets, one of which supports a ARC, which is your return channel for connectivity to AV receivers, amplifiers and home theatre systems that are just equipped. Has an optical digital output if you don't have that facility on your amp or your home theatre system, so you still get your digital surround sound. You've got one RGB SCART via an adapter, you've got a component and composite video input via an adapter. Obviously you've got a LAN stroke Ethernet input if you can't use it wirelessly. Even old-fashioned headphone sockets with individual headphone volume with the standard level of the TV as well. Again, a useful feature to have. Has an SD card reader for just popping the cards in the side of the screen, and away you go. You can watch your pictures on screen there. Once again, in conclusion, Panasonic, I'd say, have hit the nail on the head with this model again. They seem to have an unbroken streak this year. Design is beautiful, the picture quality is unsurpassed at its price point, features and facilities are fantastic, easy use is wonderful. It's just a great all-round television set, and I genuinely can't fault it.